Meaning of grandmother clock.
Grandmother clock.
Grandmother clock.
Grandmother clock.
Grandmother clock. Grandmother clock is a term used to describe a tall, freestanding clock that typically stands between 5 and 6 feet in height. These clocks are often smaller than traditional grandfather clocks and were popular during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The name grandmother clock was coined as a reference to the fact that these clocks were smaller than grandfather clocks but still resembled them in appearance. They typically have a pendulum and chime and are considered a classic piece of furniture that adds both style and function to a room.